I'm gonna start off by brushing back my hair. Even though it's already brushed back, I'm gonna hot comb it again, even though I hot combed it on the wig stand, just because I want to make sure that the unit is flat, okay? Because we don't want no bumpy roads going on the head. So as y'all can see, I'm just brushing this back, and hopefully y'all, I'm kind of sort of eyeballing this just because I don't really know how, like, I don't know if I have enough baby hairs out, so we might have to go back in and take the ponytail out and then get more baby hairs, but we'll figure it out. Just to make sure that I slicked everything back, I'm gonna go in using my Kera. Y'all know that this thing right here is what gets the girls going, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna OD on it just because I don't like how sometimes it gives you like that weird residue. So just literally a little bit will take you a long way. And I'm gonna grab my hot comb right over here. I got this on Amazon for like $20. And I'm just gonna go ahead and press that. And again, y'all, this is Yolissa's Waterwave unit. This has to be like, this is my first time getting Waterwave, and I literally, this has to be my favorite curl pattern because it gives you such like an island vibe, and it's just so freaking cute. It also came pre-plugged. I'm pretty sure that this is HD lace because it's no way Swiss lace or any of them other laces was gonna lay down like this, because it's very much giving what it has to give. So now that the hot combing process is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a regular scrunchie. This is what I'm gonna use to tie that first ponytail, or that's just what I'm gonna use to tie my ponytail in the first place. I'm not gonna grab too much hair just because this unit is already thick. This is a 180 density wig, so I don't have to grab too much hair to make the ponytail look thick. Alrighty, so I'm low-key gonna go high with it. So to make it easier for you to grab the hair, I would say I'm a righty, so I'm gonna start off by going on the right portion of my hair and picking the hair up as I'm brushing it, and that's just gonna make sure that the wig lays perfectly, and that's just to make sure that I grip the ponytail real good and nice. All right, y'all, so right here is that ponytail that I'm gonna go ahead and secure with my elastic band. Before I get into styling the hair and putting a mousse in the hair and everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my elastic band off and just make sure that my lace not chatting up a storm, because you know that's the last thing that we trying to deal with at this point. I know I look crazy, but I'm just gonna go ahead using my comb just to unlock the hardened baby hairs from that ebon hair that I sprayed on, because that girl is supreme. She do what she gotta do, but she also does tack this shit on a little too hard for me sometimes, but it's okay. All right, y'all, so getting into my baby hairs. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I just recently started getting into baby hairs just because I feel like it could be cute if done properly, and I suck at baby hairs, but I've been trying to, you know, get my shit together. So hopefully these baby hairs come cute, just because this, like, I look really good right now and I really don't want to mess up, you know, what we got going on. So I'm going to go ahead and get to snipping, and I'm kind of sort of gonna cut them long just because I feel like when you cut them long, it's easier to customize them rather than you being able to go back and cut the hairs off, because duh, they gone. Like, you cut that shit off already, so you really can't fix that. So I always cut my baby hairs at an angle just so that they don't look too symmetrical. That look a little too long, but let's see what it do. All right, y'all, so like I said, this shit is hot. So like I said, just going ahead and grabbing my bed head flat iron, I'm gonna go right ahead and curl this. Bada bing, bada boom. Y'all, this is gonna be my favorite install that I've ever done on myself, because I really suck at hair. I just be posting just because I feel like I'm a beginner, and I know that there's girls out there who know, who haven't done any like master classes and haven't like really been taught for real how to lay a freaking wig. But being on YouTube University, y'all, like, I learned enough, so I'm trying to give y'all what I learned. All right, y'all, so I've went ahead and I've curled my hair. Now I'm gonna leave my mini curler on just because sometimes I feel like when I try to lay my hairs, they don't lay properly. So let's just see what she's going to. So as always, my baby girl Nairobi is who we getting in tune with tonight. And this is definitely gonna mess up my makeup, but I'm very much gonna fix that like later. That's not the concern right now. So going in with my beautiful regular baby hair layer, we're just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna mess with the baby hairs. It's so crazy to me how this side was easiest to lay versus the other side. Like, that's crazy. But voila, there we have it, looking very much like somebody's wife. I like the hair dry, but it's a little too dry for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead, use my Nairobi. Be very generous with her because this is a little thicky that we got going on, and I'm just going to go crazy. So as I'm using my mousse, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my wide tooth comb to comb the product through the hair, just to make sure that they're evenly distributed. All right, y'all, and just like that, we are completely finished with the unit. As y'all can see, this half up half down is very much giving everything she gotta give, y'all. And this is the first time that I did my baby hairs like actually okay, like real good, at least for my liking, at least for, you know, the competition that be out there. But yeah, y'all, this hair is from Yolissa Hair, like I said 20,000 times before. This is their Waterwave unit. This is 24 inches, and this is a 13x4 unit. The 13x4 really don't matter at this point, just because, you know, we have to pull it up, so you're not really seeing the parting. But if you guys do want to see me initially installing the video, I will definitely link that down in the description box below. As always, y'all, thank you so much for always being there for your girl. We are finally almost at 1,000 subbies, and I just want to thank all of y'all for just holding it down and just coming along this ride with me. And I feel like every video that I make, I'm just like constantly saying the same shit, like thank you, but like genuinely, y'all, thank you. Like, it's been a long time coming, especially with, you know, the whole consistency thing. But as y'all can see, your girl been posted back to back for the past few months. So with that being said, as always, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe with your friends. And I will catch you guys in the next video.